We've all seen Huawei's meteoric rise in the tech world, and today, on the Tech Critic, we're taking a deep dive into their latest masterpiece, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. The burning question on the minds of tech enthusiasts everywhere is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro truly worth your hard-earned cash? Buckle up, we're about to find out. We kick off our journey with the unboxing experience of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Inside the package, you'll discover the essentials: a SIM tray tool, warranty card, and an instruction booklet, just as expected. But here's where it gets interesting: a clear case that's more than your typical TPU protector. It adds a touch of sophistication to your device. Alongside these, you'll find a USB-C to USB-A cable, the dependable 88-watt charger, and that's what's inside the box. Now, let's dive into the design. Huawei's design legacy continues with the Mate 60 Pro. The rear, encased in black glass with a textured grip, feels exquisite to the touch. An intriguing addition is the subtle, almost playful smiley face, sporting the Huawei logo. It's an endearing touch. Don't forget the camera setup. 3 lenses, including a periscope camera and an iconic red accent button. All this in a phone that manages to stay surprisingly lightweight. Let's talk about the display. It's a showstopper. An expansive AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and LTPO technology. What sets it apart is the subtle quad-curve design, adding a touch of elegance without being overly aggressive. The display offers vibrant colors, razor-sharp details, and the absence of a notch, just a sleek triple-hole punch for the selfie cameras. Getting tactile with the Mate 60 Pro, it features well-placed physical buttons, the volume rocker, and the all-important power button. These buttons feel sturdy and responsive, enhancing your daily interactions. An added perk at the top, an IR blaster for those who enjoy controlling their electronics. Moving on to the camera prowess, Huawei has set high standards, and the Mate 60 Pro doesn't disappoint. It boasts a primary 50-megapixel camera with a variable aperture, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a periscope camera offering 3.5x optical zoom. This array empowers you with versatility, capturing photos rich in detail thanks to the variable aperture. Even low-light shots shine. Plus, a dedicated macro mode lets you explore up-close photography. Under the hood, the Mate 60 Pro packs the Kirin 9000S, Huawei's in-house processor. While it may not set new benchmark records, it's a reliable performer, effortlessly handling all your tasks. With a generous 12 GB of RAM and a whopping 512 GB of internal storage, running out of space won't be a concern. Multitasking becomes a breeze. Apps open swiftly, and gaming becomes an absolute joy. Let's talk battery. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro houses a substantial 5,000 mAh battery. This impressive battery capacity is designed to keep you powered up throughout the day, ensuring you have the freedom to use your device without constantly reaching for the charger. Huawei's smart power management and optimizations make the most of this large battery, providing reliable endurance. Now, let's explore the nifty extras Huawei has included. The Mate 60 Pro introduces smart sensing with features like Air Scroll and Grab Shot, adding a futuristic flair to your daily interactions. The phone's proximity sensor and 3D face unlock sensors work seamlessly, ensuring a secure and convenient experience. Stylus support is also on the table, catering to the creative souls. And, of course, the beloved Always On display makes a return, keeping you updated at a glance. For the data-hungry individuals out there, here's the scoop on 5G. The Mate 60 Pro is 5G ready, offering blazing fast speeds. We put it to the test, and it lives up to the hype, whether you're streaming content, engaging in online gaming, or simply browsing the web. 5G ensures you stay connected without a hitch, even during data-intensive tasks. So, here's the million-dollar question. Is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro worth the investment? It undoubtedly stands strong in the smartphone arena, especially if you're drawn to Huawei's design philosophy and their reputation in the camera department. The Mate 60 Pro presents a sleek and powerful device that checks many boxes. However, when it comes to sheer performance, it may not surpass some of its premium competitors. But hey, enough about my thoughts. What's your take on the Mate 60 Pro? Would you consider making it your daily driver? Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful tech reviews. Thanks for joining us on the Tech Critic. Until next time, take care.